Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing a flip through of my spring journal. I know spring's not over yet, but I have jam-packed this thing, and honestly you cannot fit anything more in here. So hopefully I don't want to put anything else in here because it's jam-packed. But what I decided to do with this journal is kind of put different I put all my birthday cards in here, and I did a bunch of like just some Happy Meals that I got. I put in some events that I went to. So it was really super fun to do this for the month. I have a whole slew of videos with me working in this and creating this and things like that. So if you want to see any of those videos, or if you're interested in checking out my journal with me's, I'll leave all of them in the description box below. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump in and start. So I did kind of show the journal when I first created it, and when I first created it, it actually had 2 signatures in it. But I have taken out that one signature. It kind of does leave a pretty big gap in the back, but I feel like the book then it feels a little bit more, it's complete, and I'm really happy with that. I'm kind of a completionist when it comes to things like this. I really like them to be completely filled. And this book is completely filled. And I was thinking I would go to the second signature, but at first I was thinking, okay, well, I'll just save the second signature for next spring. But then by the time I got this first signature filled, it just was too bulky. So I just took it out, and now it fits in there perfectly. So I did show you the journal in its when I created it before I even put any pages in it. So again, that video would be down below. This is from Cheaply Chic. She sent this to me in Happy Mail, and I just added it to the front of the cover. Let's just go ahead and dive in and show you what I did. So first of all, I added this spring letters right here with some of the stuff that Kim gave me from the box that originally used to create this junk journal. And then I just put this little welcome to my garden on the front cover, just to kind of have like a front cover. I journaled a little bit right here about what the journal had in it. This was a card from the Dollar Tree that I just really thought was pretty, so I put this in that first cover. This was my bulletin from my church for Easter, and I just added in the notes that also came in the bulletin. A card from my mom, and the inside is in the little pocket here. Just cut it, and I put that in here as well. And then this was from Creative Crafticality. She created on this flashcard, so I just journaled a little bit about all the things that she gave me in the envelope that she did. And then this just kind of slips in here. This was the front of her card that she made me, and I just included the back of it, the inside part right there. Still haven't journaled on this page, but I plan on doing that. And then this was the little Easter card that she gave me that came with the box that Kim gave me. I added some lace here on the side. This was one of the Happy Meals that I received from Pam V. This was a flower that I pressed into the book because we got this on Mother's Day at my church. This was part of the Happy Mail that I just loaded on my channel yesterday. She had put this on a little topper, like a little bag topper. So what I basically did is I just stuck it on top of the page, and then I just glued it down a little bit so it keeps this flower kind of in here. And I just added this little sentiment from one of the journal cards that I had. Here's the brochure for Mother's Day. I am planning on journaling on the back of this. I just added some tea-dyed paper. This was part of the little bulletin, so this is like part of it, and then so was this. So I just added some lace to the inside because this was kind of falling in too deep, so now it kind of stops it from going in too far into the page. So I just pretty much left this page and this page blank with all the flowers. I just really like how that looks. This was a Happy Meal I got from Karina. And again, that's part of all of the videos down below. You can check those out. But yeah, so basically she gave me a little doily. It was like one of those big ones, so I just cut it and made a little pocket, and then added this little envelope thing that she gave me. I thought that was a cute little thing to just add her name and who it was from, and then one of the little postcard things or the post stamps that she gave me. And then she also gave me this card as well. So I need to journal on the back of this because I want to journal about what she gave me, what other stuff she gave me. This is a blank page. So I guess I have room for one more thing if I want to put that on there. I actually didn't write anything on this yet, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that, but I'm going to leave it blank for now. And then I added this centerpiece. I think I kind of showed this in a video. I basically just took this from a gift bag that I got for my birthday. This was a birthday card from Lynette from Cheaply Chic, so it's just in this little pocket here. And I just kept this blank because I just love the page so much that I just left it. This one I just literally just added a big sticker on top just to kind of give it some design. So I might do that in the other page that doesn't have anything in it, just to do something to it. Another birthday card. I did this in a journal with me. It was a little flip that I got from Gail Gustinelli. And I just kept this because of her handwriting was on here. So, and then I just added some lace just because I didn't like all the white space right there. So I just added a little antique lace that I had a little piece of. Happy Mail that I just put on my channel yesterday. The lady gave me a little a gift card to Tuesday morning. I need to write down to and from. And I'm going to go ahead. I left this little pocket open right here in the back. I just glued around the sides because I wanted to put the receipt of what I bought with that gift card. I'm going to put that in there. And then another birthday card. And then this was from Rhonda. So this was her little card. And I just put a little journaling card there and then tuck that in the side. This was a little event that I went to. This card is double-sided, so I just did a little flip so that I could see both sides. And then this was a little thing that they had given us for volunteering, and there's journaling in this little pocket. This was a card from Karina, so I put the card part in the back and just made this little tuck spot, this big tuck spot I should say. And another birthday card I just glued onto the top of this coloring page. I love how those two look together. Let's see. And then I added the some journaling here about who is in this book. I need to add a couple of names on the side here. This was a birthday card from Yolady. She just created this really cute card. And then I wanted to also include the how cute the envelope was. So this was how she wrote on the envelope. So I thought that was really cute. So I just added there on the side. This was also a topper that she had given me in one of the little plastic bags that she did with some die cuts or something. So I just included that on here. I ripped it off the bag and then glued it onto the side of this little piece of paper. This was one part of the journal with me that I did. It was all of my friends' handwriting, which is what I wrote on here. I wrote all of I just wanted to make sure I had the names of people that were on this little page. And then finally I went ahead and just glued on the back of this the envelope that your lady gave me. So I technically could put stuff in here if I have other stuff from now until the end of the month that I wanted to include. I can also put it in here as well. And yeah, so that is the end. As you can tell, there's a big huge gap here when you open the book, but when you close it, you can't really tell because it's so thick. So much going on. But I really love the book. I really love how it turned out. It's so much fun to look through it and look through it. So I highly recommend, you know, if you are interested in junk journaling, this is definitely an idea to give you on what to do with junk journals. Sometimes people are like, I don't know, I don't journal. But journals aren't all about junk journaling. Sometimes they're about, you know, keeping your memories and having a fun little place to collect all of your little cards and brochures and bulletins and all that stuff. So yeah, I think that was it. That was everything that I wanted to show you today, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Go ahead, and if you want to leave a comment, maybe you can tell me if there's anything specific that you liked how I created it, or liked what I did with it, or if you do the same thing, maybe give me an idea of what you can, what I could do, or what I can put in my books. So I appreciate all of you so much, and have a great rest of your day. Bye.